Imagine being able to spend an entire day without spending a single penny on non-essential items. Sounds impossible, right? But trust us, it's not only possible, but it's also an incredibly effective way to cut down on unnecessary spending and take control of your finances. Before we get started on how to make no-spend days a habit, let's first define what a no-spend day is. A no-spend day is exactly what it sounds like. It's a day where you refrain from spending any money on non-essential items. Think of it as a challenge to yourself to resist the urge to spend money on things like coffee, snacks, or impulse purchases. It's an opportunity to flex your willpower muscles and take control of your spending habits. But don't worry. A no-spend day doesn't mean you have to sit at home twiddling your thumbs all day. You can still go about your day as usual, but you just need to be more mindful of your spending choices. You might opt for a home-cooked meal instead of dining out, or find free activities to do in your community. How to make it a habit? Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by committing to a no-spend week or month right off the bat. Instead, start with 1 or 2 days a week and gradually work your way up. Plan ahead. Take some time to plan out your no-spend days ahead of time. Make sure you have enough food and supplies at home to avoid any unnecessary trips to the store. Find free activities. Instead of spending money on entertainment, look for free activities to do in your community. Go for a hike, visit a museum on a free admission day, or have a picnic in the park. Avoid temptation. Stay away from places that might tempt you to spend money, like the mall or your favorite coffee shop. Hold yourself accountable. Keep track of your progress and hold yourself accountable. Consider enlisting a friend or family member to join you in your no-spend challenge and provide each other with support and motivation. Remember that creating a new habit takes time and effort, so be patient with yourself as you navigate the ups and downs of the process. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks, and don't be afraid to ask for support and guidance along the way. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for Day 20, one of our 30-day savings challenge, where we'll be exploring the art of negotiation, how to lower your bills and save money. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then!